Hello guys, it's Patrick here. Today we're going to unbox our new fidget cube. That is amazing. I have never seen it. Well, let's go first look at this. This is a fidget cube. It's got a hand cube, it said. Hand cube. Has all of those features. Hand cube. Those are the features it has. And then let's unbox it. Okay, let me take it out. Whoa, look at this little thing. Whoa. Let's get it out. There it is. You got it. Look at this. You put your thumb on it. I'd like to scratch that little part. And there's a joystick. And then there's that little ball right there. And spinning things. And a switch. Some buttons. Ooh! Let's try about that one. 2 don't click, only 3 in a row click. Well, that is cool. Select features. I never knew that. That is cool. I mean, see, there's only 6 features. There's a click, spin, flip, glide, roll, and breathe. That is cool. It's called breathe. That is cool. The last one's funny. Is breathe. That is funny. Well, that is a fidget cube. Well, see you on the next video. Remember to subscribe. Give me some comments about what I should do next. Well, go check this video on what's inside. Go to their channel. And they're going to cut open, they're going to cut open fidget cube. They have one like this and another what's inside version 1. See you on the next video.